Okay guys, so we're gonna do like a gas station haul
As we're going on a trip.
and yeah.
First, I got
So do drinks first.
yeah, Dr. Pepper.
And then I got like a near sugar Coke.
Next, for like snacks. Oh, and Tessa. Here are yours. Hide them. Okay, so I got. So first, I got like Dr. Pepper Tic Tacs. Wait, what the heck? Why did my cap? It's probably on like the back somewhere. Anyways, is it filming?
Yeah.
Anyway, I got like sour spread, Tic Tacs, like Dr. Pepper, and then I got this from this bag.
Okay, now with my stuff. I got like this little thingy. It's wild cherry berry. So yeah. And we got lifesavers. They're so good. Okay, but like yeah, that's our like gas station haul. It's like bye guys.